The next divine name is as Salaam, which means the giver of peace. This in respect to Allah, the Exalted, can mean the one who bestows peace on the creation in both worlds. A Muslim should adopt this characteristic firstly through their tongue, by spreading the Islamic greeting of peace to all those Muslims they know or do not know. According to a narration found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2688, a person will not enter paradise until they believe, and a person will not truly believe until they love others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. This love can occur when Muslims spread the greetings of peace to each other. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a narration found in Al-Mujam al-Kabir, number 10391, that as Salaam is a blessed name of Allah, the Exalted, which He has placed on earth. Therefore, a Muslim should spread this blessed name by greeting each other with peace. This spreading of peace should extend beyond the Islamic greeting, and should be shown in one's speech throughout the day irrespective of who they are conversing with. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has made it clear in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998, that a person cannot be a true Muslim until others are not safe from their speech. Finally, a Muslim should extend this spreading of peace through their actions, not just words. The same narration quoted earlier adds that a true Muslim is the one who does not cause harm to other people unjustly. And a true believer is the one who extends this peace to the possessions of other people also. In fact, Islam teaches Muslims to extend this peace to all creatures such as animals. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2550. This peace should be both outward as discussed earlier and inward, meaning one should not possess any envy, malice, ill will or a similar defect towards others. This will encourage a person towards developing a sound spiritual heart. Chapter 26 Ash-Shu'ara, verses 88 to 89.
The day when there will not benefit anyone wealth or children, but only one who comes to Allah with a sound heart.
Finally, the one who desires to be granted peace in both worlds must sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Him. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
And chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed life.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.